In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if you've forgotten your PIN or password on a Samsung phone, and I'll be showing you how to reset it. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
But let's say normally you would have to factory reset it through your settings and you'd go in there and factory reset your phone. But you need a password for that. Let's say you don't remember your password anymore or anything like that. What you can do is on the right, you're going to see a few different buttons. You're going to see your volume up and volume down and your power button. So what you want to do is, using a few fingers, I'm going to try to do it with one hand. I want to hold down and press my volume down and volume down, like volume up and volume down button at the same time, and my power button at the same time as well, and wait for this to basically go ahead and proper restart. Okay, so once you do that, your screen is going to then turn completely black, and then what you want to do to turn it on again is hold down your volume up and your power button together. It's then going to look like this. You're going to see your Samsung Galaxy screen, and then eventually you're going to be on the reboot page where you can go ahead and factory reset your phone.